Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the really cool looking Tankman from Friday Night Funkin. So here's my full sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this. So here's my sketch, and we'll be using this for reference. So I'm going to draw it on the side right here. We're going to start out by drawing the visor area first. So we're just going to draw in just one line across. This will be the top. And then on the side here, we're just going to come down. So this is pretty much just going to be a rectangle, except you have a little notch right there. Okay, so I'm just going to come in toward the center. Just leave a little bit of a space. Just come up. Okay, so once we have the visor area, we're going to come down and draw in the kind of chin area first. So just leave a little bit of space. Taper in. And then just close this off first. Once we have this, we're going to come all the way around and just finish up the outside shape first. So now we're just going to go out and then go all the way up. Just go past this line. Come in. And then for the top here, this one's simple, just go up. Just round out the top here. And then go all the way across. Okay, so yeah, the beginning is a bit of a tricky shape, but if you take it step by step, it's actually pretty easy, right? Okay, so now let's finish up the face area right here. I'm going to draw an outline all the way around here. So this part might be a little bit tricky, because this part's going to be all black right here. So just draw an outline all the way around. And let me shade this in real quick and we can see this a lot better. Okay, so that's the bottom. It's nice and easy to shade big areas with a Sharpie. I know I have a little gaps here and there, but I'll clean that up later. Okay, so now that we have the overall shape, all we need to do is draw in the mouth. So right here, let's draw one little curve and give him a little bit of an expression here. Curve down, and then on this side a little bit straighter. And then come all the way across, just close this off. And then just add one little line here for the teeth. Alright, so now that we have the head, let's come down and join the body. So for the body right here, this will be, I guess, the shirt collar, just one smooth curve. And then right here, we're going to come down. This will be a shirt. We'll just close that off. And let's go ahead and finish up the bottom portion here on the hip area. So I'm just going to continue the line, keep going down. Come to the middle of this. Just draw one little curve. And now whatever space you have here, just close this off. Okay, so this will be the hip and the torso area. So let's go ahead and finish up the legs, and then we'll join the arms, because the legs are really simple. extend the line inside here just slightly. Same thing on the outside. Just come down. Finish up the leg, and then now for the foot. I'm just gonna extend this line on the inside here. And then on this one, just go out, come down. Okay, so I'm gonna extend the one on the inside. This one's gonna go out and then come down. All right, and then for here, bottom of the foot, I'm gonna give it a little bit of an angle here. And then just close this off. All right, so we don't have to draw in any details in here because this is all gonna be black anyways. All right, so now that we have the legs, let's go ahead and finish up the arms. Let's draw in this side first because this side's gonna be holding the mic. Come to the shoulder. Slant out and then just come back into the armpit right here. And we can draw in, let's draw in the same thing on the other side first. Okay, and then now for the bicep area, this will be easy, just one little tube. Now for the lower arm, we'll extend the line. Come down slightly, we'll stop right there. And then now for the fist, we're gonna start on this side. It's one little hook for the thumb. Here's the back of the hand. Come down and then just hook it up right underneath the thumb. All right, and then on this side, it's gonna be holding the mic. So we're gonna have to draw in the hand first. So we're just gonna come out here and it's just gonna be floating in the middle. So just draw one line, and then for the fingers, let's just give it a few bumps. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, same thing on this side. 1, 2, 3, so slightly smaller on the bottom, and then close it off. And we can add in a couple of lines right here to divide up the fingers. All right, once you have this right here on the thumb, just one little curve, nice and easy. And now let's draw in the mic. So right over the hand right here, just gonna draw part of the mic right here, just one little bump. And then from here, I'm just gonna draw one big circle. All right, and we can extend the mic. Let's just give it a little bit more detail. All right, and then for the lines right here on the mic, on the center, one straight line, and then as we get to the edge right here, just draw another curve going out this way. So we'll make it a little bit more three-dimensional. It's kind of like a globe. And then now the horizontal lines is two straight lines. All right, so once we have this, we have to connect the arms here. So just draw two little lines, close off that space. And then lastly, I know he's got a little bit of detail right here. Just add one little rectangle. And that's it for this Tankman from Friday Night Funkin. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.